don't know, it's a girl Melica Skylife in the building. How I do them? Oh. How I do them, them, eh. How I do them, them. You go. How I do them, soprano. How I do them, them. Alto. How I do them, them. Bass. How I do them. It's thinking of the youth. Hi guys, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Give this video a like. Just give it a like right now. Just give it a like. Can you forward no? Hi. Guys, I'm on my way to, you don't know, the gym. Got gym I know. That's what I'm gonna do today. Them have circus down here. No, I don't know if I'm gonna go today. Maybe today or tomorrow. But the topic, yo, what going? Skylife in the building. What I want to talk about in this clip, which is very, very important. Anyways, I want to talk about modesty because just now I was getting ready for the gym. And as a Christian, you don't know. Well, Christian or not, me personally, certain things I don't show off to the public. Certain things I reserve for my husband, right? I don't know if it's certain things. I don't know if it's certain things because those are reserved for my husband. So, I put on my gym outfit and I was saying to myself, this can wear on the road. I guess if I notice I have to question myself if it can wear on the road something wrong. Right? And why I am this way, if I show off everything to the world, what am I going to reserve for myself and my partner? Nothing, because I don't go to show you off to the world. So I encourage ladies of Skylife TV, please practice modesty. I'm not saying nothing to dress grannish, you know, because I don't know any hot girl. But you know, there's a way to go about doing stuff, and how you dress, you attract that type of people to you. If you want persons to be attracted to you based off how you look, how you carry yourself, this print out breast show, other people have that. Like, then if you think above that, you understand? And if you have great qualities that you don't have to show that off, and people will be still drawn to you. I'm a YouTuber. So, hey guys, you don't know, it's the girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo! Yeah! How are them? Guys, it's night time now. It's about after 7. Here in Montego Bay.
In the tropics.
Here in Montego Bay we have the circus, so we're going to the circus tonight. Me and Kin. Skylife. It's kind of dark now. Gonna meet up with Tamika. So that's what we're currently. Oh my God! Stop, please.
Everything government ever do.
Government also new lights in Jamaica. It's like HD lights. Energy saving, very clear. Anyways, we are going on the circus now. This girl is so crazy. We seriously need to take a thumbnail though. But we're going to the circus. I hope you enjoy it. I hope I get to vlog inside and everything. So keep it locked to Skylife TV. So guys, we're in town now. There's Bay, my other Bay. There's Chav. Chav, say hi to your vlog. Say hi. There's a circus over there. We're gonna go in the line. We're gonna go in the line to get our tickets and stuff. They start at 8. We're about 15 minutes early, but the line, I'm gonna check out what the line look like also. I hope they have air conditioner inside. I'm hot. What you saying?
What do you think they have in there? Come out bed planning.
Maybe they don't have nothing, I don't know.
Because most people are got this and can't sell an yard.
Why you say Sakine you're very unscrupulous?
Oh, maybe I said that.
Yes, we're at the circus, baby. The line is long. So we're gonna get our tickets. You know if you stand up because you like it. So when you're inside, you'll see us, guys. All I know, guys, that bumblebee thing is ugly. I'm afraid enough. Baby, I'm afraid. My flash isn't on. Blvd. Tired of Blvd. Me like too bright. Me like too bright. I don't know. But if you feel like it, it's still hard to balance it. You must stunt it. Woo! So tell your mad girl, you know, man. Watch out! Watch out! And I look like Evie, no kid. You see kid, and I look like Evie, no. Oh! So guys, the show is complete. Tamika, come say a flag and light or so. Lift up chop, make chop say hi. The show is complete. It was awesome.
Melica, what my phone?
Nene bag.
Sorry,
Ciao.
Skylife. Come
Lift
say
up ciao.
Skylife.
The Skylife ciao. Skylife TV. Ciao, it's the Skylife TV. You don't see phone? She's so extra. So the show was awesome, guys. This is gonna be in one vlog because how I'm doing the vlogs, I'm doing it per events, right? It makes more sense to me. So just maybe this is not gonna be that long because this was a short event. I couldn't capture everything. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button,
and show.
leave a comment below, and show the love.
Peace.